Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video I will be sharing a channel update and some ways you can get even more from our content, and it will be split into 3 topics. Before we start, I want to reassure you that the usual content will continue with the same cadence and I'll keep working to improve it even further. And now that we got that out of the way, let's begin with the first subject. I have opened our channel memberships to enable you, the viewer, to directly support the content. This in no way prevents you from continuing to follow our usual updates and content otherwise. This membership is specifically addressed to those of you whose intent is to support the channel. Now, if you click the join button, you will see some perks that actually come along with this membership. And as you may have noticed, the channel has grown substantially, for which I am extremely grateful. I want to thank each and every one of you for that, but at the same time, I am no longer able to keep up with demand for analysis requests. Moving on, I will be prioritizing requests from supporters. But I want to say with full disclosure, this does not guarantee coverage. If your intent with joining the membership is to get coverage on demand, the membership might not be for you. The focus will remain on videos that are higher in demand, and members will receive priority when there is a video slot open. Additionally, joining will grant access to member-only videos. And this is not to create scarcity. Most of you will not be affected, as these will be for stocks that generally don't perform well and negatively impact the channel. I do still want to cover such stocks, especially if there is a structure I find promising, but this way they will not affect the channel's algorithm. Some examples for this would include Dell, Structure Therapeutics, stocks I have posted multiple videos of, but just haven't performed, And others may fall into this category. I am not necessarily sure right now. I would check before I would cover them anyway. And commodities as well haven't necessarily performed too well, especially gold, silver, So these may fall into this category as well. So to be clear, member-only videos perk is intended for stocks and other assets that can provide value but aren't in high demand in terms of a viewer's perspective. Now, with all of this, I want to highlight the prime intent of joining is expected to be the desire to support the content that I have provided you and will continue to provide for you in as much of a frictionless way as possible. All support is much appreciated and helps me better focus my efforts on providing more and increasingly better content. Now, our second topic today is about creating more ways to connect with viewers. This has been a request some of you have had in the past, and it is finally coming. I'm planning to set up a space where we can share ideas and have meaningful conversations. Soon, I'll be launching what will most likely be a Discord server focused on learning and improving our position in the market. Since I am already working as much as possible on the content and the value we provide here, I expect this to take a few months for everything to be in place, to be able to do right by you and to not have anything rushed. It takes time to create and improve any process, and I am still working on improving the current workflow. And this actually brings us to our third topic, the new mailing list. Because access to the community Discord will initially be available only to subscribers of the mailing list. So if you want to be among the first to join, go to setupstrategy.com/newsletter. The link is shared here on the screen, or click the link in the description and sign up today. Now, once you sign up, you should receive a confirmation email. I am very much against spam, and if you do not confirm your email, you will not be on our list and you will not receive any updates from us. If you do not receive your email within a short period, check your spam folder and add us to your contact list to prevent future emails from us ending up in your spam. Now, through this newsletter, we'll also share updates on our top picks and upcoming trade setups. And don't worry, the goal is a seamless experience with just 1 or maybe 2 emails per month, yeah? And for now, this is it. Just one more reminder, if you enjoy the content and want to support the channel, you can check out the membership by clicking the join button below this video or on the channel page. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.